So in this section, we are going to represent a Cartesian product by using arrow diagram. So let us consider a set A containing the elements A, B, and C, and we have another set B containing the elements X and Y. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw two Venn diagrams. So the first Venn diagram is going to represent the set containing the elements A, B, and C. Then we're going to draw another Venn diagram which is going to represent set B containing the elements X and Y. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to find the Cartesian product A cross B. So what we are going to do, so we'll start with the first element present in set A, and then we're going to draw an arrow going towards the element X in set B. So this is going to give us the first coordinate pair, which is A, X. Then starting from A, we'll go to the second element in B, and that is going to give us the element A, Y. We can say A, the coordinate A, Y. Then we go to the second element in set A, which is B, and then we try to form a coordinate pair with the element X in set B. Then we'll again pick up the same element B in set A and form a coordinate pair with the element Y in set B. And then finally we're going to consider the element C in set A and then form a coordinate pair with the element X in set B. And finally we pick up the element C and form a coordinate pair with the element Y in set B. So this is how we can represent the Cartesian product using a diagrammatic approach. So this is how we can find out A cross B. So let us now try to find out B cross A. So for that we'll draw another Venn diagram. So let's say we have another. So let me shift this A cross B. So this will be our A cross B. So to find B cross A, we'll first consider a Venn diagram that was going to represent the set B. Is going to contain the elements X and Y, and another Venn diagram that is going to represent the elements of set A. So it's going to contain the elements A, B, and C. So in order to find B cross A, so we will consider the first element in set B, which is X, and try to form a coordinate pair with the element A in our set A. Then we're going to consider the element X and form a coordinate pair with B. And then thirdly, we're going to form a coordinate pair with C. Then we are going to consider the element Y in set B and then form a coordinate pair with element A in set A. Then we form the coordinate pair with element B in set A and with C in set A. So this is going to give us the Cartesian product of B with A. So we can also find out the Cartesian product of A with itself. So let's do that. So we have, let's say, A. So this set A has the elements A, B, and C. And we have another Venn diagram which also represents this set A containing the elements A, B, and C. So we begin with the first element A and then form a coordinate pair with A, then with B, and then with C. Then we consider the second element B and then form a coordinate pair with A, B, and and C. And finally, we consider the element C in set A and form the coordinate pair with A, B and C, and the arrow going from the first set A in the left hand side to the right hand side. Similarly, we can find this will be a Cartesian product with A. Now we're going to find out the Cartesian product of B with itself. So B cross B will be simply, first we specify the elements, so that will be X and Y in both the two cases. Then we consider the first element X and set B and form a Cartesian coordinate. We form a coordinate pair with the element X in the second set B. Then we consider the first element X and form a coordinate pair with Y. Then we move on to element Y and form a coordinate pair with element X in set B of the second set, and similarly with Y. So this is how we can represent the Cartesian product diagrammatically.